Hello friends, in this video we'll be talking about how you can create an equity bot on a basket of stocks. That is all the conditions, entry or the exit you'll be checking on a basket of stocks. In order to do that, firstly you'll have to log into your Speedbot account. Once you have logged in, you can just go over here and click on the create your own equity bot button. Over here you can just name it as basket of stocks, whatever interval you would like to select. And over here, if you click on this drop down, then you'll be able to see the indices by the name Nifty 50, Nifty Energy and other indices. So this basically means, let's say if I select the Nifty 50, so it will populate all the stocks that are currently present in the Nifty 50 index. So let me just click over here, and over here you can see all the stocks are populated. And once I click on the continue button and add my entry and exit conditions, then all the conditions will be checked on these stocks. So thank you for watching this video.